Sapakal, SDB, the provincial of Dimapur province, all the priests, nuns, religious, catechists, leaders of the church, leaders of the youth, friends, parents, relatives, and well-wishers. It is a joy and a blessing to welcome you all to this felicitation program in honor of our newly ordained priest. Your gracious presence makes this gathering truly special, as together we thank God for the gift of His special and precious vocation and celebrate this moment of grace. Dear Father Fidelis Singnao Pokao Mai, on this joyous occasion of your ordination, we felicitate you with profound gratitude to God for calling you to the sacred priesthood. May the Lord bless you abundantly with wisdom, courage, and zeal to shepherd His flock faithfully. Congratulations and God's richest blessings be upon you. Hakuma Guang Labang Gai, Mai Matthew Mai Guai Nata, Sang Chon Riu Luni Betong Thay, Du Thang Guang Mai, Anaturi Guang Mai, Karup Karian, Kapau Ganai, Kasai, Kagwai Nata, Katuang, Chon Riu, Chon Ku Kariu Mai Tuang program Kau Hai Mai Guai Nata, Sang Chon Riu Luni Betong Thay, Hakuma in Tao To, Rai Liang Mai program Hai Takai Diko, Choir, Tai Samda Labang Pan Tai, the new Tai Kagan La Lumai Solo Puto, Matang Kau, Tonku Mai Lasa, Kani presentation, Father Nang Tai Samda Luna Bamputo, Choir Tai Kagan La Lumai Solo To. ทนกุดิ่งเทคนกายไม่เรนะไม่ไกลนะพานสนะขลุ่มเล่าไม่ขังตา Having placed ourselves in God's presence, we now invite Reverend Father Joseph in Tao Haiกระทันไม่สนะสมเราไม่อามูตวงทวนกู้ไม่ลัดซาอาคันนี้กระตวง presentation กันแต่กวงลาลุไม่สโลโนเท
My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Linus Nelly Didi, Archbishop of Infal, Reverend Father Pampakal, the Provincial of Dimapur Province, Reverend Father Deli Kapani, the Vice Provincial of Dimapur Province, Reverend Father Michael Hingba, the Parish Priest of St. John Bosco Parish Khopum, Parish Priests of various parishes, priests and nuns, deacon, brothers, sisters, novice, religious, distinguished guests, catechists, pastors, church leaders, and faithful of various parishes, villages, and associations, my relatives, classmates, batchmates, and companions, special invitees and well-wishers, and everyone present here. On this joyous day of my priestly ordination, my heart overflows with profound gratitude to God and to each of you who have made this moment possible through your presence, prayers, and unwavering support. No words can express the overwhelming gratitude welling up within me for the wonders God has worked in my life today. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the following individuals. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Most Reverend Dr. Linus Nelly Didi, Archbishop of Infal, for his gracious availability and for the sacred honor of ordaining me into the holy order of priesthood, which I will cherish forever. To the Provincial of Dimapur Province, Reverend Father Joseph Pampakal, and to the Vice Provincial of Dimapur Province, Reverend Father Deli Kapani, I am endlessly grateful for the help, support, guidance, and encouragement. Your fatherly presence has made this event truly meaningful, dignified, and solemn. I am deeply grateful to Reverend Father Michael Hingba, the Parish Priest of St. John Bosco Parish Khopum, and his community, Father Tinglung Francis, Father Lawrence, and Deacon Benjamin for their generous help, support, especially in preparing the liturgy that has made this celebration so meaningful and enriching. I am equally thankful to Father Paul Ngauni, the Chancellor of the Archdiocese of Infal, and Father James Rizwan Ngam, the Secretary of the Archbishop of Infal, for their invaluable help, assistance, and for their gracious presence today. My gratitude also goes to Sister Maria, the Superior of Auxilium Convent Khopum, and her community for their selfless assistance, particularly in the decorations and liturgy, which have added such beauty and splendor to this entire hall. I am truly blessed by all the fathers, sisters, deacon brothers, and all religious present today. Your presence is both a blessing and an honor to me. It truly elevated the solemn celebration, making it all the more memorable. Thank you very much, RPNBA, for gracing us with your presence and for the beautiful song you'll be presenting in my honor. I extend my deepest gratitude to the Assistant Parish Priest and Rangba Blanc, along with the church leaders of Bautuar Parish, my cherished Oratory Center for Sunday Ministries during my theological studies. Thank you for the love you showed by traveling all the way from Shillong, taking 2 full days just to join us for this ordination. Nga aika jingskiungu kabakrao e ia e Reverend Father Mel Salmon Ibadei e Assistant Parish Priest Jongka Mautuar Parish na Shillong Archdiocese Batki Rangba Blanc Ringkat Batki Nongyalam Balang Jongka Mautuar Parish Kaba Deka Oratory Center Kabanga Iyit Etba Batnga Julait Naka Bintaka Oratory Haman Lakisngi Ublay Haki 3 Snem Shiteng Jongka Jingpule Theology Jonga Ha Sacred Heart Theological College Maulai Kublai Shibun e yaka jinge kaba phila pinida kaba phila yet linti arski lintenadu na shilong bandong lang banduai bat ban pinsngain yanga hakkaneka ski jingping kenting lingdo yanga khublai shibun gongbam gai mi goi nam khaw tong catechis nun church kau tan pi phung mai nun pastors nam tuang khunpu khulak gan su gan thau goi nampang nam jang khori gong mai apo apai sumai apui apu sumai pui nai sumai chana puna sumai sunrai pandren sumai chaibung chaipi sumai kaina sumai akhani rupian goi ta haipi tuang mung khang tuna kadal lona akhani kunga wang sam kong dong omi khang ta daina thungku theitna salonie gongbam mi goi nan ru khaw ragong tuang soyhem te ru kai lokan diu kham ai ko suna aram sin barbarat from ling khaw bama mai goi local catechist from ling khaw tampi phok minun organizing community akhani aram baptist church me tuang pastor akhani kani tuang from ling mi goi na ta church kanai mi goi na tan chui na sam kwang lo mi khangta paina thungku theitna salonie megoi na ta ragong ri soyhem lo mai studio. Finally, to everyone gathered here, thank you one and all. Even if I couldn't mention every name, know that I am profoundly grateful to each of you. Your love and support are the foundation of this new chapter in my priestly life. May God bless you all abundantly. Father Kamai Fidelis Singapore SDB, 3rd January 2026. Thank you. Our presentation kan danai lopni thai. I will zan ta kum ka paloi thai presentation ready slow tho. May I invite His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Linus Dedi, Archbishop Infa, to come forward and receive a simple gift as a token of love and appreciation. Next, I invite Reverend Father Pampakal, the Provincial of Dimapur Province, to come forward and receive this simple gift as a token of love and appreciation. May I invite Reverend Father Michael Hingba, the parish priest of to come forward and receive a simple gift. Now I request all the fathers, sisters, religious brothers, deacon to stand at a place and receive the gift. We come in a place, and please stand in your own place. I invite all the fathers, sisters, religious to stand at a place. Please stand. Hello.
Zelo na ding thao lo na lui mong mai podcast hai khun za thloi na samda lo mai hai la lo pu tho soyam dai na ti lo mai su diu tho Hello. Ban hay cái tên na hiểu tấn mại si thì lâu ho. Sisters, kasing nito Thai lo make I am told today we have around 46 plus priests, right, Father? To solemnize this occasion. We are blessed to have all the priests, the religious, the nuns. You have blessed us with your presence. We are ever grateful to have you. Ti tặng lâu ô, sa buồn quay tay. Hãy cũng mà cái là đầu xa tới cái cũng na amu xóm long mày pù hàng thô anh yêu program luai kai pu khao ka khang ti lo ni mai podcast hai ka gan ti lo puni de all right. Once again I would like to request the catechists who have come all the way from Shillong to please kindly raise up from your stand, from your place, and receive a small token. All the catechists who have come all the way from Shillong to attend this program, to raise up from your feet and receive a small token prepared by the family. All the catechists, religious who have come all the way from Shillong, Meghalaya. Sabuan nun tay tilawo. Tao ta good mình đứng hướng tay tilawo. Father tao tay thôn khu belat sa English ni sa ruang la ni sa Khasi milat ni sa. Cái mày tay Shillong thui na guang mình nun ni bam bam ka zao tin thế. Hãy tập hồn thôi. Hãy cũng mà nằm bài thắng đuôi guông mày catechist các quay nó tên ní zelo na đình thảo lo nằm bài thắng đuôi Paris bài thắng đuôi district bài thắng đuôi guông mày catechist quay nó tên ní zelo na đình thảo lo na lui mong mày bột cắt đã hay là lo bùa tôi là new bom khâu dăm hoài bom bị tuang ngay cái thế right. We thank Father Fidelis for those moving words, for pronouncing the vote of thanks. Hãy có mà in tao thô mà thắng ta kể đó đi cô. Now I would like to invite Reverend Father Joseph Pampakal, SDV, Provincial of Dimapur Province, to address us. Father, please.
Respected Right Reverend Dr. Neely Linus, Archbishop of Imphal, Father Dili Kapani David, the Vice Provincial of the Dimapur Province, Father Paul, the Chancellor, Father Michael Hingba, the Parish Priest, Father Kamai Fidelis, the newly ordained, and his loved ones, fathers, sisters, elders, catechists, pastors, leaders, parishioners, and all present. Today is a day of great joy for the parish when it receives from God's hands a new priest, and the Salesian family welcomes a new shepherd after the heart of Don Bosco. Dear Father Kamai Fidelis Singapau, with a deep joy, I congratulate you on your priestly ordination. Your very name, Fidelis, speaks of faithfulness, and today that faithfulness is sealed at the altar of the Lord. Your chosen motto, "The Lord is my portion," Lamentations chapter 3, verse 24, is a quiet yet powerful proclamation. It tells us that you have chosen not possessions, not security, not status, but the Lord Himself as your inheritance. In a world that seeks many portions, you have chosen the one who alone is enough. Saint Teresa of Avila says, "Whoever has God lacks nothing. God alone suffices." Today, we thank God for the gift of your Salesian vocation, for calling you, sustaining you, and shaping you patiently over the years. Your ordination comes as the end result of much love and sacrifice. We express our heartfelt gratitude to your parents, Mr. Gaidamlung Kamai and Mrs. Regina Gangmai. Dear parents, thank you for nurturing faith in your home, for teaching your son to trust God, and for offering him generously to the church. Your silent sacrifices yesterday have become today's blessing. To your 3 elder siblings and other dear family members, thank you for your encouragement, understanding, and prayers. To your Salesian formators, erectors, spiritual guides, professors, confessors, and community members, thank you for patiently shaping Father Fidelis in the spirit of Don Bosco, forming not only his mind but also his heart. Dear Father Fidelis, as you begin your priestly life, allow me to share a few words with you. Our Salesian constitutions remind us that the Eucharist is the center of our life and mission. Return to the altar each day, not only to celebrate, but also to listen, to be renewed, and to be re-energized. When you feel tired, confused, or alone, the Eucharist will remind you the Lord is your portion. Live your motto every day of your life. There will be days of abundance and days of emptiness. In both, whisper your motto again, "The Lord is my portion." Trust Him when the work is fruitful. Trust Him even more when the nets are empty. The Lord who has chosen you will never abandon you. Last month, our Holy Father, Pope Leo XIV, wrote an apostolic letter on priests titled "A Fidelity that Generates the Future." He starts the letter with this sentence: "A fidelity that generated the future is what priests are called to today." There he reminds each one of us, saying, obedience to one's calling is cultivated each day through listening to the Word of God, celebrating the sacraments, especially the Eucharistic sacrifice, evangelization, closeness to the least among us, and priestly fraternity, all drawing on prayer as the preeminent place for encountering the Lord. It is as if the priest returns every day to the Sea of Galilee, where Jesus asked Peter, "Do you love me?" in order to reaffirm his yes, in order to reaffirm his fidelity. When God alone becomes our portion, our ministry becomes free, joyful, and generous. Do not measure your priesthood by results, but by fidelity. Don Bosco used to say, entrust everything to Jesus Christ in the Blessed Sacrament and to Mary, help of Christians, and you will see what miracles are. Entrust your priesthood to our beloved Mother, Mary, help of Christians. Let her teach you humility, courage, and perseverance. Under her mantle, you will never walk alone. Never forget that you are a priest for the young, especially the poor and the abandoned. Be patient with them. Be present to them. Be joyful among them. Don Bosco reminds us, it is not enough to love the young. They must know they are loved. Let them find in you a father, a brother, and a friend. Love your community. Pray together. Work together. Forgive quickly. Celebrate joyfully. A Salesian priest grows holy, not alone, but with his brothers. Dear Father Fidelis, through the protection of Mary, help of Christians, and the intercession of St. John Bosco, may the Holy Spirit guide you every day of your priesthood. We assure you of our prayers, our closeness, and our constant support. May your life proclaim your motto with simplicity and conviction. The Lord is my portion. Congratulations once again, dear Father. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you.
Thank you, Reverend Father Joseph Pampakal, for your kind words, your encouragement and guidance, and for gracing the occasion with your presence. May God continue to guide you and lead you to guide the people entrusted to your care. In Tauto ni way tuang Archbishop hai katan chin bijang kren takan ti tuai mai goi mai ding thau lo ko chakwang su lo ko ban pa hiu sui na hiu lo ko. Thank you, Your Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Linus Nelly Didi, the Archbishop, for solemnizing and gracing the occasion with your presence. We will remain ever grateful to you. All right. Now we move on to the spoken message, to a musical tribute. Ekumat tao tho kon gai ka mai king gai ka mai lu tai Catholic amu nun sisters nun niu gwai tuang kon gai ka mai bansra nun kon go mai nun dai khau hai pan na sonin dao lo bu tho ka gan hai ti lo am thai na neu kha. After which, hai tai luai khon ni tai kai khun za thu lei na lat sa dui na mai ka sek salo ni mai tai samda lo na bam bu tho. Words from the family samda lo bam bu tho.
Nói thế xin
practice my way to
check hello check
Gai the ko mi thai and you father sisters go lusuan ma khau lat keng khat kan hai na salo ni rai leng mi khau aram nam kau luang khau gan kalun gai leng ka mai fedalis asai tho
hello
father fedalis father pang khau kalun gai leng mai father fedalis na kau puni the thai kum na ruang mai father sister brother byak thang roi ka mai ti hai thon riu lo ni kum na pau gai mai khani kau da lo ni อันนี้หลวงไม่ฟาเดอร์อาศัยละท้าไม่พูดปานะกระเซงตันรูนะอาคัด31ตังเทรู้กันบ้านอยู่หรอครับใส่กระเซงปาดาวพัดไม่โทกวนไม่ติงกลุ่มเขาดาวกระตุบขังเทเด้ปุยปูไว้น่ะหนุนไว้กิ้งเราท่อให้กุ้มนะอันนี้กันนี่ละเสียงสิเทอาศัยอันนี้ father sister brother ไว้เบียกทั้งด้วยอามูซุ่มกระทันเสียงลมไม่เขาลัดคัดนะแบงเหล่านี้นางวินาใส่ responsibility ผงเท้านี่ไม่กระกันเขานางเบาเขา responsibility ผงเท้านี่ไม่กระกันเขาสิวน้ำมาเกกุ้งไม่ทวงเดนางเรียนราพิกันเขานางซุนซีปุยกันเขาเซงซีไม่กันเขานางสายบุ้งนางสายปีปวนแบงไม่พิวนานางทานรับนาดิ่งสัมบัมเดงังเล่าขังอันอยู่นี่บะไม่ให้คุ้มนะปิ้งริวลุงหิงได้นะรักหวังตานสุยไม่พูสุดบัมโทตนะรวงไม่รามุนติดไม่ father sister brother เบียกทั้งด้วยนางเขาไม่ละได้สานะกระติ้วลงนี้เท่ให้คุ้มนะอันอยู่ทุลุงซีไม่ father sister ปุยแจงเขาเลยนางคางใกล้ปัดได้ไม่นี่ตีงั้มมาเกอินเซนปุยแจงเขาเลยนางสายบุ้งนางสายรู้ไว้แต่ทิ้งเต่านะบัมกันดิ้วคาง sister บิบิอาน่า MSMS ซีรีน่าใกล้ปัดกันเอานั่นไม่ตีเราวันนี้ไม่หู้เขาวังน่ะดิ่งเราปัวไม่ตัดเส้นทางเขาวังเราปัวฮัลโหลติ๊กซิกปีการเขาบ้านหลงกุนกุนน่ะนิวตันทิ้งเต่าผมโท
ไมโครโฟนแดงเขาวงดิงน้าใหม่รู้ฟาเดอร์ซิสเตอร์นี่ว่าไมโครโฟนแดงเขาวงดิงไม่วงดิงน้าใหม่รู้เขารู้ก็
ฉันรู้ก็เล่าฉันไม่รู้ก็ได้เล่าเขาทำทุนลากันริบังเล่าลุงเขาวิสุไม่รักกันไม่ดีอัดวังดังริงเต้านาเดสิงบังกลาsang khâu sang dài lâu mây cả mây cả dao xiêm nuôi đi quay lâu cả cú mang nuôi đã dài lâu sự suy thế rainbow hay sang dài lâu mây quê năm nuôi sang quang dài hầu in thiên đã bị bà in thân mới sang tay nắm ta rê lòng siêu phong khăn đi cả băng cả thịt khâu tạc mạc mây ra quăng sao xiên đi liền ngắm tiếng sang khâu sang dài lâu mây cả mây cả dao xiên nuôi đi quay lâu cả cú ba nuôi đã dài lâu sự suy thế rainbow hay sang dài lâu mây quê
Father Fidelis nào bầu ra quần quân đại diện các thầy
sang cụ khâu xoay mắt mây rơi đi đã lâu đi sang gai ba xuân mây ca mây khăm cao lâu nắng gam rì bao na đê nắng thoáng rằm ca quay thoáng đầm ring bao na đê bùng tan na lu bắn đi sang sang khâu sang dài lâu mây cả mây cả dấu chân mây đi quay lâu cả vũ mang mây đã dài lâu sự suy thế mình lâu hay sang dài lâu mây cu về
cụ thầy
hello sui sang đình thế lu xuân mình nun kian hay cũng mà Father Fidelis hay ni sui sang sai tuang amu som lo mai mong hay tan pat bam be tuang thế hay cũng mà lu ko tai son gai thì cũng mà ka gan ka thui na khâu ra gwang rina sang zai lo mai su kan diu tho nang rina sa pat son pat mai la lu ka guai tan pat roi pat mai ka thui na ra gwang him ti dai nga mai pu su bam kan diu tho tu mai hay ka di lo ni be tuang thế ai thấy không mấy thầy tàu tho lát xa kèn khát cái này tay cái khунgiặt lấy na sao ni mai tay cái gần gong lá lo mai solo nổ thế mà thằng khâu Mr. Ambrose đại singam cả mày cái mày tay ready solo bam bút thôi.
I would like to speak in Rome language. Rai riang mai khâu anh yêu thì đâm lâu mai ra quang ta đại nó thuận cô thế sai anh à số mấy thế amu không sai hết số lâu thế bishop đấy province không quay nó father không quay nó rồi nó sai hết cái đủ không tan đại ta lâu thay hay quay tại hay quay nó là quảng đánh không đại nó thuận cô bị toàn thay có nó sai hết anh à số mấy hai mai anh lão thì hết có nó anh lão bản địa khát surat nó sai hết ra quảng tan tan gần đâu khang nó cái bôi số mấy anh yêu quay nó sai cái mấy đó mấy quay nó hạ của sai hết thì phải lâu tung thế có nó sai hết mấy quay nó sister cái quay nó father cái quay nó Robin cái quay nó rồi nó chính số chơi được nó chính số nó là bố tụi mày tung là bom hay request số này mày tung là bom thế có nó sai cái thao nó anh nào thế này akai mày làm mà thế sai nung hồ ná đi thay tụi mày tung là bom hay xin là lỗ tung thế có nó sai hết cặp pu làm mà cái này tụi này nung hồ nín bom nung ai กระปูกันเท้าไม่อายไทยผมนะอปูกระเป๋าเร่ใช่อาการนักการเดียมหลวงปู่กระเป๋าเร่ข้างในขัดนาทีนะไงซานฮีเขาเลยนะปัดไม่เกตาสินนั่นสินะก้มทีนะใส่ให้อากายสนามน้ำปังเอาเถอะอายนะนันเท้าเลี้ยงไม่ดินสูตรที่เขาเรียนนะใส่ให้นางไม่ตรงลายแกงนะให้ชาโรปุโธชาที่น่าใส่ให้ไม่ตุนให้ชาจุยชาไก่ไทยบางคนสิเนี่ยโซ่ไม่ไหวนั่นนะกันกระรำปังดินเทกันก็ไม่รำไทยมันนั่นดิเทไม่ตุนนั่นแต่ลาเราลดนะไม่ไหวนั่นแต่ก็เราพูดไม่ตรงระบบให้ชาตรงที่ไปตรงรวมเทก็น่าใส่ฮะทำไมแต่ออเรนซูไม่ตรงcelebration day ใช่โซเลมไนส์นะเท่าไหร่แต่งไก่รวยเราเถอะก้มที่น่ะขับปันตีเขานั่งนู่นตรงมันไซส์นะแต่กินนี่ตรงที่น่ะไม่กวยนะ fathers ก็กวยนะ province ก็กวยนะ sister ก็กวยนะนั่งนี่รู้เขานี่สาบีสาบางไม่ต้องสวยมตีลงกุดูโทตัวไม่ต้องระวังให้ชาตรงที่ไม่ต้องระวังเถอะก้มน่ะอายให้ไกด์นี่เขาที่สารเขามาแค่โปรแกรมนี้กันที่ตายสมัยว่าไม่แจ้งคนละอายอัดทวนนะแสงใหม่นะลากนี่เท่ทำไมต้องระบำให้โดยหินสารเขาเลยโดยเราไม่สูญได้ไม่ไหวได้นะทั้งกูเท่ thank you
อันกูเท่ประเดี๋ยวไม่แค่คนจัดเลยนะทุนกูไม่หลัดสาคันนี้ก็เกยน่ายมีหลัดสาล้อไม่ขังตาเขานี่เรากวางหรือสยามที่เราไม่สุกันเดียวเท่าเต่าโซ่ special number ได้ Mr. Ambrose ได้สิงห์กาไม่ได้บางคนให้ได้กันเวลาแล้วไม่สโลว์เท่า
ไม่กวยนะตาไกไม่กลานตัวนัดฟันริวเอกุมาเรลิงไม่เขาอันนี้ตัวสักฟองสมัย father fidelis ก็ไม่ตาสุยเทตัวนัดฟันริวเรานี่เทกุมาไอให้ ordination ปังงูเทใส่รุ่ยเทกระเจ้าตัวผมเห็นกุมาเล่ากวดลาตัวผมตรงเทไอตัวมุงตัวไม่ father นุ่งกวยกังเล่าไม่ที่โตกันนุ่งกวยแต่กินยิ่งเต่าตันบัมมันเดลูให้ Father K.C. James ในพวกเราไม่รู้แต่ไอ้กุมส่วนเราดัดขังดิเต้ไม่ฮะ ordination ตรงทีม song กุมน่ะดับบัมตรงเต้ and for those who are not able to understand wrongไม่ this is a song composed by Father K.C. James it is a vocation song and its song is actually very appropriate for today I'm going to invite all the youngsters sitting down here to please join this priesthood and serve the society and the church สสบวนกวยไม่รู้กิ้งนาคันให้ปุยปูกวยกิ้งละกี้นิวร่วงไม่คังร่วงไม่ father อามู sister จับปัดไกโทษนักเรียนไม่ต้องรู้สนะสวเล่าคังเทแต่ไทยไลนากันดีเสียมรวยสุขังเยซูคริสต์รวยเก่าเล่านาสลิชันจางตัดเขากันดีจะบวนกวยขังกวางเจ้าโลเหล่ามินบำเทลิกิตานิมีทุราเวกำเท้าโทคริสต์ขังรวยนังปันติกาดปะโทCome and see, harvest is rich, but the laborers few. Taste and see, that is worth serving Him all alive. Story away, start he light that kang, karam kai tak wang zao. Kita manggai katina ragwang tuang lau pu khâu lau chiu gang mai sukhang Come and see harvest is rich but the laborers few Taste and see that it is worth serving Him all alive Quang sao lo lau min bam the di kita ni mai to rawe กามเข้าโตปิสตาขังรุยนังปันปีกาดปะโทเสียงไม่สมบูรณ์เว้ยใส่ Father Fidelis คุณนะกามเข้าไว้โคเล่าทั้งมินบันเทตานี่ไม่เราเว้ยCome and see, harvest is sweet, but the laborers are few. Taste and see that it is worth serving Him all alive. คนเจ้าโลเหล่ามินบำเพ็ญที่กิตานี่ไม่พวกเราเองกามเข้าโตคริสตาขังรุยนังปันตีกาดปะโทนังปันตีกาดปะโทรักหวังรักใครต้องไม่สุดเดียวมันก็ไทย
Thon cô đình thế Mr. Ambrose đại sinh âm cả mày came all the way from Pong Ring Luang mày lu hana present salome u thule na kai ton thai ka mai ha ragwang ina so him dai na ti lo mai su kan diu tho hai khang song gai ran mai lu ragwang him thon mai lu hai son ngam mai pu su diu khang so him dai na ti lo mai su kan diu tho gai thai ko mai taw hai special number akhat khapum Paris tong representatives the new tai bam khwan ni tai ka gan khong la lo mai su lo tho mai tai loi khwan ni tai khap mai suna aram tong youth non na cultural dance tai nai lo puni thai samda na bam tho Now I invite the representatives from the parish center to take your time.
Hello, check. Hello. Hello. Thuần cô thay mấy gậy mấy mà khẩu cái gan mặc bóng khủng sẽ đi lu nãy la bị giang của lu khát nặng số lâu khoảng cái gan tí lâu mấy ta mấy gậy để mấy thuần cô ấy con này đều rồi hại thế suy thế tụt tụt mà ghét thì cái gen bị giang của nè anh yêu tàu ngàn nun số bảy sai father là cụ lo có mấy khang tay ram cắt chỉ tí lâu không mất bị giang của nè Paris jatuh rena, lu akat na lu sira rabong kwan sin, may pay na king sap lo kang di thay.
Hello.
Hello, check.
Cài bao lệ à cam cầu đi cần đi tuang cam cam tuang mà ghê bắt lâu ngắm can để bắp quăng thầy là quầy Giêsu á cam ram cam mây mà ghê ram cam mà ghê cài bao lệ à cam cầu dày hiểm giáo quan tay hậu bần nu quê ram cam mà ghê có xoay nhắm sang nguồn cầu hay ram cam mà ghê ca sen ngài mang đến ram cam mà ghê gần đi này là rơi đi từ lưng khâu thang mây hậu gây xin đi lưng ta cài bao khâu rơi khăn ngầm mà ta mây á khang ram cam mây mà ghê tiếng rơi ngầm thầm má ghé cái bầu lệ hạ các khẩu xoay hiểm gió quan tới hậu bầm nu quê ngầm thầm má ghé ngó xoay hiểm giang luận cầu hay ngầm thầm má ghé cả trên gai bầm đê
vẫn cún hay mấy cái mấy trái
Hello, thôn của đình thế, very strong representatives on the lugai mày mà thiếu mấy không tiện đảo lo mấy không tên tao thôi traditional dance tay gần gọi là lo mấy slow thôi gan on stage coi cái tin arrangement slow Hello, hello. 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 Hello.
Alam puni alam kui na alam puni he sai lu sai la akum puni cho akilam puni he kai lu sai la akum puni cho akilam puni alam kui na alam puni alam kui na alam puni he kai lu sai la akum puni cho Akilam kumpunian, akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam kui na alam punian. Kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam kui na alam punian. Kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam kui na alam punian. Kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam kui na alam punian. Kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam kui na alam punian. Kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam kui na alam punian. Kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, kailu sai quan này là kumpuni cho. Akilam kumpunian, alam kui na alam punian. Alam kui na alam punian.
Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Kai lu sai quay này là Puni so Akilam kumpuni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai Alam kui na alam puni ai
Hello. Thank you, CYO of El Cunao Catholic Church, for the wonderful cultural dance. Tao tho program ni luai the kom nang kham ma khau. I would like to call upon Reverend Father.
Hello. Hai tai suma khau tao hai ka than sna som long mai amu khang zen mai kai pat ti lo ni mai nai khwan ni tai in tao ka gan hai nai da mam the khome thai sakhwang sumai father tai stage khau gong ding lawai thai ma thang suna khau hai ka twang zen mai kai pat tai ti lo mai sun lo no thai gona la la bo tha father zelona mà thang cũng quăng lâu nửa thế cái dần society tuang cáo bật bấm đan mặc xin đi rồi liang mấy khâu aram El Cunao tuang siwayo khơi na tì lâu phun thế บ้านละแล้ววะบ่ายไม่ตีเรานี่ไม่ได้บางคนนี่ใจตีเราหนูเท่มาค่ะเสียทุบFather Fidelis ตวงแกงนั่นนิวตวง gift นี้สัมดาละบ้อมตวงนี้ It's thereทนกุเทเจียนไม่ไกปัดสุนะที่เราไม่ขังตาไกปัดสุนะอันนี้ราสวยสุนะ Father ที่ให้ตัดช่วยนะตัดโทษนะคดีกันน้าไม่สุนะ give ให้ที่กองละบ้องไปตวงเทไอ้ก็มาอินทาวโทอันนี้กวยแท็กตูจังมะเขาสักวังสมัย Father Reverend Father Francis ติงลุงก็ไม่ใจบางคนนี่ใจ Grace over the mill ก็ไม่ใจกันของเราแล้วไม่สลบปะท้อ
กระดงขบำเราเถอะสวยยำในเมราสวยครอสลุนปูคันนี้กันน้ำปูคันนี้มันทำไมจันเขาอันปรีมาระวังนั่นแต่ได้นะทั้งกูเทใส่อันนี้ตอนนั้นสมัยดีลงไม่เรื่องนั้นใส่อามูกูไม่ปานใครในลาจังไงไม่ลาเต่าเทก็กลายคนไม่กวยเลยใส่ตุจังคังเสมรอยสนาตาลบไม่ตักตูแขวนนังสวยยำที่ล้อเนริตูเลยนะคงไงรารีกายไม่ปันตีลงสิงไม่ตักตูสุดขังสวยยำล้อตัวนั้นนี่พระบามิจิสุคริสต์ปานใครบ่เมื่อไรนี่ตะบันดองล้อเดียวงำปรีมาราวันเรนนี่ตะสวยยำล้อเดียวกับปูคันนี้กันน้ำเป่าคันนี้พวกมันทำไมจันเขา
ทอนกุเท Father Francis ติงลุงนี่กวยตักตูตักจังไกไม่เข้าพร้อมตนาไม่ซีไม่เขาไม่ปันไม่ตรงไหนบางคนแต่ก็ไม่ได้นะสุอินทัลลงไม่กันตาบางคนนี่เรากงไกไม่เสียมติลงไม่สุกันที่ตัวอินเต้าทัวตักตูไม่ตวงของกันแต่ไม่กวยนี่ไม่ได้นะเจลนาก็กันแต่ละไม่สลาวทัว
Sister nunggu le, Father katan ceng mai photo kap sam ko. Sister nunggu talori ho, nap da mai sini. Father kau mazai kau gonding lo. Sister nunggu le. Father Jojen Daniel nang tong kamera gai mai kum the. Sister nunggu kau ren ra mai sini. We request the sisters to come